the Gaujas Botanical Path, looping round a section of the sandy River Gauja. This path can be found in an isolated section of eastern Lithuania called the Dieveniskes Appendix. This area is surrounded by Belarus on 3 sides, despite there being no border crossings in its 110-kilometre perimeter. Very few people live in this agricultural community, and even fewer visit, leaving much of the land to nature. It is home to 600 species, including otters, beavers, and wild boar. Even wolves and elk pay the occasional visit. We saw a wealth of butterflies, beetles, and even some baby lizards.
The world is so full of a number of things, and I think we should all be as happy as kings. So please don't be down if your day should turn sour. There are so many good things. Think of a color you will fly, fly high.
If you've enjoyed this, you can follow VnW Travels on Find Penguins, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.